Welcome to our educational channel. So in this video, class 8th ICSE physics study material I will show here. So along with the ICSE syllabus, if you want the IT foundation level material, so I will show the best material here. So we have around 7 chapters in this. So one chapter question bank and assignments I will show. So for ICSE curriculum. So if you see the heat chapter, okay, so this is the question wise, so like object type and short type, long type, all the information like question bank material is available. This is entirely PDF files. So the links are provided in the description below. You can go through that links for all the entire chapter information. So objective type and answers also available. Again, true or false. Okay, short type questions, long type. So is everything in this, including match the following. Okay, reasons like this. So the links are provided in description below. You can go through. So let me see. After once they're perfect with textbook and this question bank, we can give the assignments for test. So assignments also in the form of PDF they are providing here. So it's the 5 pages. So page wise you can give for children to conduct the test also. So once they're perfect with the textbook and question banks everything. So these are all the objective type for IIT level foundation. Along with the ICSE syllabus is we covered. And apart from that, some more extra information also available in this. So the sample chapter also you can see the in links in description below, and the information you can get from this website. So links are provided in description below. Again, apart from class 8 ICSE physics, other class information also available here. So other class information you can see from class 6 to 12th, all the subjects. So each and every chapter wise we have the material. So chapter wise also you can conduct the test. So even topic wise some test papers are available. So everything is available, just to go through the website and click the links whichever you required from this site.